two silencers this morning. The top one is made by VENOM, a custom tuning company that mainly deals with wire arcs and quite famous for the work they do on the spring air rifles such as the HW80. The bottom one is a WEBLEY. I'm not sure if it's a slim tech or a longbow, but although they're quite different in some respects, there's many similarities. They're both 5.5 inches long at 140mm, and they're both 3/4 of an inch wide at 20mm. But this one weighs 5.5 ounces at 153 grams, whereas this one weighs 3 ounces at 86 grams. Obviously quite a chunky one, this one. And also it's a one piece with a screw on end cap, as the muzzle end cap doesn't unscrew, whereas this does have a separate unscrewable muzzle end cap. Inside, very similar, just simply a tube with a baffle at the end. The VENOM had them that way round with a baffle at the end, then a sealing washer, an O-ring and the end cap. There is nothing inside, and I'm not sure if that's how it was originally or if something's been removed. I ask this and wonder because on the WEBLEY version there is some sort of, I don't know, felt material inside, whereas this one had the baffle towards the muzzle and the open end towards the exit. This one, it had the baffle facing to the exit with the open space facing the muzzle. Now unfortunately I don't know if previous owners have changed these around at all, and whether they've changed the order of the baffles and which way around they should be. But what I'm going to do is put them back together and just try them in the way that I found them. Another day I might take them apart and just rearrange the baffles just to see what happens, but that's an experiment and a test for another day, as I said. What I'm going to do now is just try them on my air rifle. I should do 2 shots, first of all without any silencers, and then 2 shots with each of these silencers, just to see what the noise reduction is like and to see how they compare with each other. Here we go then, let's give it a try and see what happens. WEBLEY & Scott FX 2000 177 caliber 4.5mm. First, 2 shots without the silencer. Now I shall give this VENOM silencer a try. And now I shall give this WEBLEY one a try.